No good. And the rebound here. Really, sinausaw. Nagaw na naman. Boom! And side step please. Basket is good. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 2 at BARM. And here you go, jump ball number 31 versus number 9. First ball possession, BARM. And here's number 8. Side step. No, look pass inside. Number 17. Behind the back dribble. Almost lost. And drives. Lays up. Rebound. Picks. And pass. Number 31. Basket for 2. And 4-0 score natin. Long pass there. Side step. Footer. Natapikan. Na-rebound nakuha dito ng Region 2. Number 5, Gamma side. Step in, naasa pa. What a pass coming from Gamma and the finish number 17. And here's Team BARM. Bounce pass to the middle, number 25. Brother, no good. And rebound, put back. And basket for 2. 6 to score natin mga idol. Colyantes, nagawan mula sa likod. Number 25. Oop! Lays up. In and out. And it says nagmamadali. Tuloy-tuloy. Binitbit. Ibinakabil pa sa kabila. Naagaw. And here's Region 2. Drives. Lays. Basket is good. Naagawan dito. Gamma. Fixed. Ang gandang extra pass inside. Yes sir. Na-recover. Lays. Saktong-sakto. And here drives, side step please, basket is good. Oh, yun, stain, pass, floater, no good, rebound, fake spin, stayed away, no good, reverse lap, basket and 1. Number 18 stop, pull up J long 2, basket is good. And there's number 1 to number 18, pass to the corner, cross pass, number 77 drives, bumangga. Kicks out, number 7. Natapikan, nauna na. Oh, tapping down, pressing the... Naagawan, number 77. Stop, pull up J. Basket is good. That's the end of the first. And here's Bangsa Moro, number 22 behind the back pass. Naagaw. And the long pass here. Number 87, basket and 1. Backdoor inbound here. Bounce pass to number 5, fakes. Clutch, fires. No good. And the rebound here. Nagmamadali. Lazy na usaw. And Milan. Milan behind the, between the legs. Oop, nakalusot. Lazy. Milan for 2. Number 13. Corner sa 3. Bang! Dribble. Number 82. Spin move. Fire, pasak na pasok for the backdoor inbound here. Ball possession, BARM, corner fakes, drives, kicks out, pass back, corner 3, off target, battle for the rebound. Here you go, Region 2, bounce pass, Milanoki. Grabe yun, in-scoop layup. And here's Team BARM, Basang Moro, fires, pinilit. Difficult shot there. And here you go, Region 2. Kinaliwa pa. Pasok na pasok. Number 5 here. Alang. Alang to Sama. Long pass. Stop, pull up, jumper. Won't go. Rebound number 22 fades away. In and out. And rebound here, Region 2. Number 20 zigzag. Straight to the basket. Fires off the window. Basket for 2. 40-11 score mga idol. Number 55. Natapikan mula sa likod. Nakakuha ng Region 2. Number 82 bounce pass. Number 11 of the glass. Yes sir. And spins. Nag-agawan. And number 22 to number 55. Stop. Launches on 3. Off the target. Rebound and put back by number 5. And basket for 2. And here you go, 2-on-2 Milan. Sumisigsag, spin move, fires. Umakyat ang bola, basket and 1. Behind the back dribble, sumisigsag, up na agawan, batong bakal. Nauna, binitbit, bakit for 2, batong bakal. Naagawan. Inaagaw din. And binitbit kinaliwa, easy bucket. And this Gitna, fix, drives, spins, fade away, Kobe! Naagaw na naman. Boom! Number 55, Sama, binitbit, lays, no good. Rebound number 17, long pass. And Gama lays, basket and 1. And behind the back. And drive, Gama, binitbit, kinaliwa pa. Oh, nilipat sa kabila. That's the end. Oh. And here's number 25. Pass on the inside. Launch on 3. Bang! And Serra. Tuloy-tuloy off the glass. Bucket for 2, Serra. And number 10 to number 8. To number 14, Milan. Drives. Bounce pass. To the middle. To the mid. Inside pass. Lays up. Bucket for 2. Baseball pass here. Stop launch at 3. Bang! 3! Milan. Milan. Tuloy-tuloy. Milan of the glass. Bucket for 2. Nagkatapi ka. Nauna. Spins. Recovered. Sa gitna. Lays. Easy bucket. For the inbound. Looking for receiver. Number 10. Drives. Fires off the window. Manny. Number 25, long pass. Sakto yung pasa and the finish. Number 55, setting the play. Pass to the corner. Fake, stop. For 3. No good. And sa gitna. Floater, easy bucket. Number 55 here. For Barm. Number 1, bounce pass corner. Stop, pull up J. No good. And number 87, bucket run straight to the basket. Lays, bucket is good. And here you go, side step. Put back shot off the glass. Yes, sir. Alang. Bounce pass in the middle. Lays, bucket for 2. Nakalusot, easy bucket. Long 3. Number 55. Tama. Crossover, sumasayaw. Spin. Naagaw. Nauna na si Idol. Minute play. Tama. And it's fun. Pass on the inside. Fix. Kaldas. Fire. Off the glass. Bucket good. Back to inbound here. Bounce pass. Pinalusot. Eksakto pa. Wala. Inagaw ng Candy Fire. Oh, connect. Yes, sir. Mamadali. Nakapinan. Uy. 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 And number 55. Drive. Side step. Oh, gandang pasa, gandang tira in the finish. For the inbound. Bounce pass. Nakagawan, nauna na. Side step, stop. Kick out. Drive. Nakagawan. Sakto kay Batong Bakal. Lays. Bakit mo nun? Tama, pasbag. Batong Bakal. Patres. Long pass inside. Another. Bucket good. Puso Nigway. Lumusot. Tinasa sa lost fake. Inbound. Out. 22 sa 3. Bang. 3 balls. Number 17. Bumangga. Floater of the window. Manny. Tuloy, number 77. Hook shot, pasok. Top bounce pass, natapilan. Number 33, Juliet Pitley, CC Bucket. And number 55, corner. Last step, water, pasok yan. Libre sa loob, plays up, bakit for 2. Tayo. Yes, number 17. Pilitin, magpasok yan. Congratulations, Region 2!
For Bangsamoro, Abana Distinction of Mr. Mundanao.